Assalamu alaikum. This is Manahil Khakwani. Today I'm going to discuss with you guys that how to make 2024 the best year. Here you simple follow these 6 golden rules. But before I start this, here I want to make a request. If you are new on this channel, please do subscribe and share my channel, and please don't forget to press bell icon. So guys, the new year is always an opportunity for new beginning. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make 2024 the best year of your life. I will share 6 rules, and if you could follow them in 2024, it would be a turning point in your life. Here are the 6 simple and powerful rules. The first rule is perhaps the most liberating: forgive yourself for the mistake you have done in the past year. The baggage of 2023 should not weight you down as you move ahead with 2024. Every mistake and the setback you down as you move ahead with 2024. And every mistake and the setback that you face in 2023 was an opportunity for growth and learning. But 2024 would be the time to reap the rewards for this year. Cultivate a fresh mindset. Leave behind the error and misjudgment of the past. Walk into your new life in new year. Next, give your wholehearted commitment to your goal as we step into the new year. It's time to say goodbye to procrastination, excuses, and the temptation to give up. The rule number 2 is about embarrassing wholehearted commitment to your goal, whether they are professional or personal. Don't stop till you reach your goal. Remember, success always demands unwavering commitments, and the 2024 is the year here. You can show how committed you can to be reach where you want to be. The third rule is about releasing anger and grudges. Release all those angers and grudges that may have accumulated in your mind. Focus on what really matters in your life and allow time to take care of the rest. So, guys, avoid taking decisions or speaking in the moment of anger. Instead, be calm and composed and clear in your thoughts and actions. Remember, being angry only hurts you. Grudges only stop you from focusing on your goal and priorities. Don't become the biggest obstacle in your own success by being angry with people, life, or situation. Move on. So, guys, dedicate 30 to 60 minutes to your body. Your physical well being is the foundation for fulfilling your life. Prioritize your body by giving 30 to 60 minutes on daily basis to keep physically fit, whether it's yoga or brisk walking or any other exercise. Consistent attention to your body is the best form of self-life that you can give yourself in 2024. Next, create comfort zone challenge list. Get out your comfort zone with rule number 6 by creating a comfort zone challenge list. Identify 12 activities or experiences that push the boundaries of your comfort zone and commit to doing one every month of this new year. Whether it's public speaking, trying some new kinds of falls, or learning, trust more. Promise yourself that you will do things in 2024 that scare you. Do this, and by the end of 2024, you will be surprised by how far you have come and finally built the relationship you always wanted. So, believe that you are worthy of love despite what you think are your flaws or weaknesses. Make space for true love and companionship in your life without the shadow of the past or anxieties about future or where it is going. Choose to believe in yourself rather than your fear. When it's come to love in this new year, so these are 6 rules for 2024. Try them and see how amazing your life will be in 2024. Allah Hafiz guys.